Enterprise data platforms are often built as isolated silos. If an external software team wants to consume your data, they have to write complex database connectors or negotiate slow API integrations. Today, we are going to look at the OSDK and show you how Foundry automatically exposes your semantic ontology as a type-safe, secure microservice. First, we're going to enter the developer console, and this is our API gateway. Rather than forcing external software teams to query raw database tables or configure direct JDBC drivers, we can expose our structured outer heaven ontology directly to them as a modern versioned SDK. So we're going to go to the top right and click New Application button to register our API client. Let's name it Outer Heaven OSDK. Oh, saved. And we're going to place this inside the Outer Heaven Hub project. So security is strictly inherited. Let's click Continue. Here, we're going to select Backend Service. In enterprise architectures, a backend service configuration is a standard design pattern. It establishes a secure client credentials authentication flow, letting external servers or background processes query our ontology with good security. So here we're going to define our permissions. So we're going to keep user permissions selected. This enforces the user's active ontology access controls. And to satisfy the redirect contract, we're going to go ahead with this suggestion and have it autofill it for us. So this will populate the callback URL and we can continue. So at this stage, we're going to click Create, and the system immediately registers our client credentials and generates our unique client secret. The secret is shown only once. It acts as a secure cryptographic key that our external software applications will use to handshake with our platform. So just copy it, save it somewhere, click Done. Now, with our application registered, we're going to click the Ontology SDK on the left sidebar, and we're going to click My Ontology and save. And by default, the SDK has no access, so to authorize our assets, we're going to click Add Object Types and just select our objects and add them in. We're going to do that as well for the interface that we built out. And we're going to click Save Changes. So with our resources authorized, we're going to click the SDK Versions tab and click Generate New Version. Here we can check pip for Python and select the latest compiler and click Generate. So look at the payload. Foundry is compiling our custom objects and interfaces into an actual version Python library named Outer Heaven OSDK SDK. So we're going to click this open, and this opens our installation panel. It displays our exact pip install commands and security environment variables, and external developers can now install our ontology directly into their code bases. They do not write raw SQL queries or generic API requests. They write native, type-safe Python methods, and that's kind of how you bridge data operations and software engineering at scale. So we've now built, optimized, and secured our entire semantic data layer and exposes it as a type-safe API for our enterprise. But a secure data model is only as good as the guardrails that protect it. So in the next playlist, we're going to step out of the developer console and enter into the world of platform security. So catch you later.